Okay, here is a quick crash course in fractal design. I want you guys to try to come up with your own fractals, but here's just a simple understanding of what's going on. In nature, as in math, you sometimes have simple rules that describe how to do a certain procedure. So in nature, you have DNA that might tell a tree to grow a bit, and after it's grown a certain bit, it branches out. And branches go at a certain angle, depending on the type of tree, type of plant, or whatever. So here's something that grows a certain length and then sends out a branch that's maybe a little bit longer than halfway at a certain angle, gets smaller. And then that is a certain length, and now it sends out a branch at the same angle, also a little bit longer maybe than halfway, and that's sort of the next generation of branch. And then it sends out another branch that's a little bit longer than half of the branch that sent it out. And again, I'm trying to replicate the angle, and it goes like this. That's the next generation. And then it goes so on and so forth like this, each generation branching a little bit less long than the other one, but at the same angle. And I think I'll stop after this, but you get the idea that this starts to look an awful lot like a real tree, okay? Now, if the DNA of the tree tells it to branch at a different angle, maybe it's a steeper angle, okay? Maybe it goes out like this, like that. And then this branch goes out at a steeper angle like that. You get a different type of a tree, okay? And like that, and then, whoops, like that and like that. And if you know your trees, you might be able to describe what type of tree it is based on the rule. These are supposed to look maybe a little bit more like an elm tree over here, used to be in the Pingree driveway. And then this might be an oak tree that, branches out more towards the ground. But in each case, you get a rule for angle, and then a rule for how long the branches are. Okay, and here's our two different tree fractals. So in nature, you get things like this all the time. And fractals can be very, very different. They can be based on curves and parts of curves or straight lines or whatever. Okay, so for us and our project outside, we're going to do a very simple one based on circles, because circles are really easy to do with string. All right, so we will have someone sort of march out, and I'm going to only sort of show part of this because it'll take too long, but someone will march out to the middle of our snowfield with their string, okay, and then holding the string tight, they're going to walk in the best possible circle around like that, okay? And if the person that is right here and the person that was doing the walking right here now reverse roles, so this person here stands still, this person walks pulling the string tight, they're going to go like that, and then I think we'll have them reverse back along their path and then finish like this. Okay, so now they're here, and this person will do the walking and this person will do the standing still, and so these two people will really quickly, and the rest of you will be watching maybe and filling in. Now this person will stand still and this person will walk, and they're going to do an arc like this, and then this person will do the walking and this person will stand still, and they will go like, whoa, they will go whoa like this, like that, and then this person will stand still and this person will walk and go like that, and then finally this person will stand still and this person will walk and they'll go like that, okay, and you'll get kind of a daisy design. This is a bit of a mistake here, but no big deal. The next iteration, we're going to find halfway between these tips of our daisy, like this. This is just one I invented that I think will be pretty easy to do in real life. And then you're going to have a person stand here pulling the string. This will be equal distance here. It's not maybe perfectly done in my freehand drawing. We'll go like that, okay? And then this person will stand here, and then this person will go up like that. And again, you'll see we'll reverse these roles, but the person that's here, and then this person will do the walking while this person stands still. They'll come like that and go like that. And then again, we'll just fill in these swoops like this, and it'll be like that, all right? And that'll be the first bump off of this. And we can do the same thing over here. Find halfway, and then we'll do a bump out like this with this person standing still and that person doing the walking. Then they'll reverse. So now this person is here, that person is going to do the walking. So they're going to go like this, and then we'll reverse the roles so that they go like this, and then like this, and then finally they'll fill in that. So you get these extra branches, all right? And I'll be telling you what to do as far as the marching goes, but see if you can follow along how we make one of these extra branches, okay? Once you get these two tips, you have to find halfway right here and halfway right there. Someone just stands right here in the middle at the tip of the daisy, and this person does the walking, and they do a bump out like that. Once they get there, you reverse the role, and so this person will walk up here to there, and then this person stands, and this person walks like that to there. Then this person stands, and this person here walks to there, and then you just have to reverse it just to fill in that last daisy like that. And again, you can continue replicating this like this and this, and again you do the bump out like that. This person stands still, this person walks up, and then it swings back like that. And then you get this like this, and that like that. And you can see we're doing a half of a daisy, and half of a daisy, and half of a daisy like that. And then we can keep doing that pretty much until we run out of room. And you get these little things like this. And then you get another little bump like that. And eventually it'll be sort of down to the size of a sheet of paper. But from a distance, it's going to look like it's got these bumps that go out like this, and then out like that, and then out like that, and then out like that. So it'll get these spirals going around. All right? And then we will just fill in with our walking, and we'll fill in all these areas like this. All right? So we'll be just spending some of the time filling in to make the design look like you've seen in those links I've showed you. All right? So it'll be a lot of just people helping out by filling in. All right? And we'll get our pattern replicating. The more I zoom in on this, right, the more I look at some of these smaller areas like this, the more it'll look like these bigger areas like that. That's the idea behind a fractal. All right? So I'll try to post maybe a more detailed one, and I'll write out the steps. But that's basically the concept. All right? Good luck.